You're here, I'm pleased, I really dig your company. Your style, your smile, your peace mentality. Lord, have mercy on me. I was blind, now I can see what a cape's supposed to be. Baby, I feel free, come on and go with me. Let's take a long walk around the park after dark. Find a spot for us to spark conversation, verbal elation, stimulation. Share a situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we can talk about Torah 31:18. Your background, it ain't squeaky clean shit. Sometimes we all gotta scream upstream. You ain't no say we all the sinner, but you put your good foot down and make your soul the winner. I respect that, man, you so fat and you're all that plus supreme. Then you humble, man, I'm your feeling. I can feel everything that you bring. Let's take a long walk around the park after dark. Find a spot for us to spark conversation, verbal elation, stimulation. Share a situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we can talk about Revelation 3:17. Or maybe we can see a movie, or maybe we can see a play on Saturday. Or maybe we can roll the tree and feel the breeze and listen to chilling just be. Or maybe we can take a cruise and listen to the roots. Or maybe eat some passion fruit, or maybe cry to the blues. Or maybe we could